So imagine right now if I told you that your dream body, your dream bank balance, your dream love, your dream job is just waiting for you seconds away. So do you believe me or you think that I am crazy? So hi, this side Arushi, your law of attraction coach, where I'm going to teach you that how you can create your dream reality, your dream life with just learning the simple concepts. So yes, here I'm going to talk about not only the techniques which work to manifest your life, but also the science behind it, because I truly believe if you want something to work on it, you need something to rely on to get on, so that you can able to explain yourself and help to believe yourself that whatever I'm creating is going to be my reality. And whatever means you can be the big CEO, or you want to have some crazy lifestyle, some crazy love, or anything you want. So if you want to learn all of this and if you want to understand that, then you are on the right channel. So watch this video till the end. So what I've told you that the quantum physics says that your dream reality begins with the possibility. So today I'm going to explain you this concept like a 10-year-old, that even a 10-year-old can understand it. So it will be very simple of you. So grab a notebook and a pen, or you can take a note of it, or you can rewatch this video as many times as possible. So tapping into your dream reality, to your dream life, you need to understand this concept, in a very easy way. So let's talk about the first concept we need to learn about this, the part of the selection. Means let's take an example of the Netflix. You open the Netflix, okay, there are thousands of movies, shows already present there, but only one appear on your screen. Why? Because you click that, right? Did the Netflix created that movie or that show at that time only? No, it already exists there. You just simply go and you, if you want to watch your favorite movie, you just click on that and it just begin to play. So the manifestation also work in the same process. Your future job, your future business, your future marriage, your future dream life already exists. There is a possibility exists all around you. You just need to select it. So the point comes that every day, which part of you are selecting that. For example, that you every day you are just waking up and there is thousands of possibility exist of you. For example, in one possibility, you are building your dream life, you are working hard, you are working every day, you have faith, and you are just so positive and happy that you are working to your dream life. And the another possibility that you are waking up and you're just being sad of what is going wrong, or nobody is helping you, or you're just draining your own negative energy, own negative thoughts, and just being the victimizing yourself. So it only depends. So which part are you selecting every day? Right now, ask the question from yourself, because this is the first concept which explains that in manifestation, in quantum physics, all possibility of you exist right now. So here the second concept came, that pay attention to the possibility. So again, I'm going to explain you with this one beautiful example so that you understand very easily. Suppose you are holding one mango seed. Now you are holding a mango seed to plant so that it grows in a tree, and from tree there are thousands of mangoes, so there are thousands of seeds and thousands of mango trees there. So right now, what is it? This is only a mango seed. It's only the imagination you have right now. Okay, you have just imagine it that this will going to result in thousands of other seeds, but right now this is only a seed. These are all hidden. This is not visible. The tree is not visible right now. It is just hidden. It is going to be only visible when you water, cared this seed and plant this seed. You water, cared it, and then you grow as a tree. So there will be more thousands of the trees present there. So your dreams also work in the same way. They all are hidden right now, but they all have the possibility. They all have the possibility. It's just waiting to your action. They're waiting for your action, on which possibility you tap, you water or care, you nurture every day, and it grow. So this is the basic idea, that where you constantly put your attention, that influences you where your life will move. So there of you, there are many possible futures present right now. It is just waiting that which mindset, which possible direction or which action you will going to help you to grow. Let's understand the third concept, that is observer effect. So now you have just selected your one possibility, one your dream life. Now you're placing your attention on that. Now the third came when you just selected that one possibility, then your brain start filtering the reality according to that. For example, that you want to buy a red car of particular company, then what you will see everywhere, you will going to see that the red car. Okay, maybe of that company only you will see the red car. Did that company just produce the millions of the red cars today only? No, it just exists there. Your brain just start filtering the effect, filtering the reality according to your possibility. So when you change your attention, it will help you to shape your future through your experience, habits and choices you made. You are creating your future self. For example, there is version you one there is version 1 of you, which is always worried, always tensed, always stressed, and not feeling okay every time, always feeling depressed. There's version 2 of you, which is average, that sometimes motivated, sometimes she's motivated, and sometimes she's lazy. And there's version 3, always motivated, living your dream life, and healthy, rich, confident. So it only depends which version of you are you feeding every day, because all the version of you is already present. So it's that simple. Your thoughts becomes your decision becomes your action, and your action becomes your reality. So which action, which thought are you feeding every day? It is the question you only ask up to yourself. This will give you the clear idea. So to be in version 3, you need to change your frequency. Now this is the concept, it is very important, which you need to understand, that in changing, if you want to that dream reality, then you need to change your frequency. For example, you listen FM in 9.91 FM, there is one song play. In 93, there's another song play. You just change that channel and you listen the different song. The song is already present there. So if this is this your frequency also depends on that. So changing the frequency changes what you hear. Then you just tap into that song, that reality which you want to create. So similarly, changes your mindset, changes what you opportunities you notice, the action you take, and the gradually the life you want to create. The opportunity may already exist there, but you need to change your frequency just to tap into that. Here, I'm not only going to teach you the concept, but I'm going to tell you now how you're going to implement these concepts in your day-to-day life to be that person, to be that dream, living that dream life. So every day you don't just sit on sofa and say, I am rich, I am rich, I am rich. You don't simply that affirmation. Every morning you wake up, you just imagine your future self there, how she talk, how she handle the stress, what she'll be doing if she already having, if she already living, you're already doing the dream life, then what she'll be doing today, what action they be taking, how her thoughts working. So you need to just every morning grab your notebook, write all the things which that person is doing right now, and then whole day you behave already like you already achieved your dream reality, and the whole day you just do the that thing only that that person, that your dream life person will be doing. So this is where your manifestation meets your action, and this comes to your reality. So maybe your future isn't created overnight, maybe it is created every single day by the thoughts you repeatedly believe, the action you repeatedly take, the emotions you repeatedly feel. So your future self is not waiting for any luck, but it is waiting to become that person right now and take the decision as person is living right now. If in today's video you have changed your one belief, then subscribe to my channel. I'm making such content on quantum physics, spirituality, and explaining this as simple as possible. And if you want to tap into your dream reality, then type I choose my highest reality and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.